Thank you guys for watching me installing my wig. I had to go let the music play for a little bit because, you know, that's my background. I got to let it play. But my sister bought me this wig and all the way from Georgia. And in the beginning of the video, you seen where the wig was from. But this is the look, the after look after I installed the wig, baby. Look, ooh, look at this little chocolate girl. Yes, that was a beautiful color. The color go good with my skin tone. And also, it matched the outfit I had on. But look, from head to toes, honey. So I'm going to keep practicing until I get it. I mean, if I could do it, why not? Unless I just really need to get it, you know. Whatever, but you get it. But thank you guys for staying tuned. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe to our family channel. Mwah.